Metatrader 4 winning forex trading strategy. This strategy is really meant for Metatrader 4 and not Metatrader 5. You cannot use this on derived platform. This is strictly meant for MT4. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and open an account with any of the regulated forex brokers in your area. It is important that you register with a regulated forex brokers. Outside there, we have a lot of best forex brokers that you can open an account with. Make sure you open a demo forex trading account first and try out your strategy on a demo account before you go live. When you are profitable using that particular strategy, then you can go ahead to open a live forex trading account on a regulated forex brokers. You can check Forex Factory also to see if there's any news that may likely affect your analysis before you go ahead to trade that particular pairs or currency. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex trading strategy, either for Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5. And make sure you practice any strategy I'm going to give you on a demo account before you go live. No strategy is 100% accurate, so it is important that you follow money management as you trade on a daily basis. Now let us move on to today's strategy. I have combined just two indicators together to come up with this particular strategy. I'm going to show you the settings for this indicator because this indicator is on your Metatrader 4 by default. So this is how I use this particular strategy. Now this is how to use this particular indicator. As I said, I have only two indicators here, and for you to take a buy trade, then PTI indicator must be present, and this must change from red color to a white color here as we have it at this particular point for a buy. So at this particular point you can place your buy order. Your stop loss will be few pips below the previous low, and if you want to be generous with your stop loss, then you can use this particular zone for your stop loss and write the trend. Your risk to reward ratio might be 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, all depends on you, and adjust your stop loss either to break even or follow your profit with a trailing stop. So this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple, and we are going to check the history a bit of the PTI indicator in agreement with Ichimoku indicator, and we have it at this particular point for a buy setup. And you write this particular trend. This did delivered well. Here's another setup. We have confirmation here, and you can see the trend. It did deliver. Check the history. It did deliver and it worked well. So this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any pairs you want to trade. You can use it on any time frame you want to trade. Also, I do use this even on indices. You can use it on meta like gold, silver. You can use it on cryptocurrency like BTC, USD, ETH, USD, and the rest like LTC, USD. You can use this particular strategy. You can use it on any forex pairs you want to trade. Just make sure you master it and know what you are looking for. Then you will be consistent using this particular strategy on a daily basis, making money. But just make sure you follow money management. As I said earlier, no strategy is 100% accurate, and if you want to use it on 1 minute time frame, you can do that. Now let's check it out on gold. This is euro Australia dollar. Let's check it out on gold, and here is it on gold. This is 1 minute time frame. As I said, it is accurate on any time frame you want to trade. We have a buy setup at this particular point. And you can see it's giving us a good profit. You can see this also. This is a good setup. Just make sure you follow the rule. Now let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy so that you can set it up. The first indicator I use here is Ichimoku Kinko, and let me show you the setting. These are the settings or the colors for this particular indicator. Look at my parameters here. I have changed the Tekachin to 1 and Kinju change to 1 2, then Shekoyo span B to 70. This is what I use. I've adjusted the setting to give me a better entry, and this is how you should set up your own also, and make sure you are practicing on the regulated forex broker. So this is what I use. This is the setting for this particular Ichimoku Kinko EU indicator. And the second indicator I have here is the PTI indicator. So I change all the colors to now, and this is what I use. This is not the default setting. The slow length is 21 and the fast length is 7. But if you are having problem setting up this particular strategy, make sure you use my template. I'm going to include my template in the video description so that you can use it. So the other indicator is just a symbol changer. I'm not going to include that in the video description. I believe you have it by now, and if not, you can Google it out. And the last indicator is the Ikinachi indicator. This is just the candle, and I will include it also, the candle colors. You can use my template. I'm going to do that. Please watch the video. The download link to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. Make sure you download it. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Share this particular video strategy with any of your friends trading forex. It is profitable. I will appreciate it if you do that, and do give me a thumb up. We have scammers outside there as a forex brokers. Make sure you trade on regulated forex broker. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and register with anyone that you like. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow forex trader, Joe, and bye for now.